At the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify the properties of projectile motion. Specifically, you will be able to define what a projectile and a projectile motion is. What comes in your mind when you hear the word motion? When we hear the word motion, we always think about a straight line motion, like a ball rolling on the ground. But motion also includes objects that move up and down, that is vertical motion. First, a force is applied upward, but the force of gravity makes the ball accelerate downward. So it gives us two types of motion, horizontal and vertical. But real life isn't always that simple. Often, these two motions are combined. When an object moves both horizontally and vertically, it is called projectile motion. Think of like this. We want to get this ball into the basket. But how will we do that? If we just try horizontal motion, while the ball has the distance to reach the basket, gravity pulls the ball into the ground. If we try vertical motion, while the ball has the height to reach the basket, it doesn't travel toward the basket. But if we try to use horizontal and vertical, the ball has both the distance to reach the basket and height to compensate for the gravity. That is projectile motion. Projectile motion is when an object undergoes both horizontal and vertical movement. The object that is thrown or projected is called projectile. The curve-like path undertaken by a projectile is called trajectory. But projectile motion has many uses beyond just putting away a ball. From plotting airplane flights, to playing sports, to rocket science, projectile motion is an essential part of our lives. Let's identify if the following sports illustrates projectile motion. Number 1. Volleyball. 2. Running. 3. Basketball. 4. Karate. 5. Swimming.